Today in one of our exclusive finds, if you've always wanted to mine Dogecoin, here, there's a free miner just in front of you, Rich app. The thing about this one is completely free. You can mine Dogecoin as soon as you reach 500 Dogecoins. You'll be able to withdraw it, and at the same time, you can actually speed it up either by purchasing one of the Core i9 or the RTX 4090 or A100. You can see the sponsors and the partnerships. At the same time, each and every single day there's daily tasks that are added, and you can see here directly the booster, what it gives you, 30 days for 10,000 RHC. At the same time, not only can you actually pay, you can do it completely free by getting the Core i9. You'll have to, of course, log in daily, claim your Dogecoin. As you can see, I have 100 Dogecoins. That was almost a week and 2 days of collection. Right, so there specifically you can see the rich currency that you have. By doing the tasks available and also by using the invites that are available in the application on Telegram, you'll be able to directly gain more rich coins, and then as soon as you hit the 10K, you'll be able to collect it in the 30 days anyway again. And by using the daily tasks, 100% you can do this completely free without having to pay any money. And that's kind of the direction of the channel, how to actually gain cryptocurrency without paying any money and start building your cryptocurrency profile. All right, so one thing I did notice about this application, and you're going to like it, is if you go directly to the home, and after you go to the home, you see that wheel that's spinning. If you grab the wheel and start spinning it by your finger on the screen, you actually speed up the mining for the Dogecoin. The good thing is the sponsors and the partnerships that are available for Rich app. So it's doing actually good, and as you can see, I'm speeding up the number of Dogecoins mined, and as soon as it reaches a good number, I'm going to claim it again. So that's kind of the direction of the application. It's very simple. You just need to log in whenever you want. You don't need to click on anything. It will keep on mining even if you're offline. And as soon as you reach the 500 Dogecoins, you'll be able to withdraw them. The 500 Dogecoins at the time of this video is almost equivalent to 199 USD. So yeah, it is worth it. It is completely free. The links are in the description if you want to check the Rich app, or if you want to actually open a wallet on one of the exchanges that support Rich app. Alright guys, we'll see you in another exclusive for the channel, and 100% this is something that's nice, free completely. You don't need to risk anything or do anything. Just open it, let it run, and you can also connect your wallet, whether it's on the Telegram wallet or one of the exchanges, Bitget, Binance, and so on. It also supports OKX. So as you can see, the more I drag the wheel, the more and faster the Dogecoins are collected. Alright, next video will be focused on something also that will be an exclusive for the channel. Right guys, if you do like this content, check out the description section for more information, and leave a like and a comment and subscribe, and definitely I'll be seeing you in an upcoming video. Have a great day ahead.